guys, I'm back. So how do y'all like? So I'm gonna show y'all. Somebody was saying, how can I take back this thing? But if you guys follow me on my channel, if you guys remember, I bought these used. I bought this used from Bed Bath & Beyond already. Remember, I bought it home and I washed it. So guys, when you return stuff, return it the way you got it. Even though it was used and it needed to be washed, I still washed it anyway. So it shouldn't be a problem for them, like, let me exchange it for something else. So whoever had a problem with that, that is the story behind me returning this. These are the ones I'm going to spray, you guys, because they have more like a flat piece, you know, on there. I like that. I like that design right there. So that's what was on this one, and that was up here. So guys, look how that looks now. Hold on. I'm trying to see. Hold on. I don't know why we keep getting so dark, but anyway, this is how it looks, y'all. Look at that. All even. I'm so happy I did that on my own. It turned out good. So here is the blind. I think it looks very, very good. And I put it down a little lower. I'm going to be removing these, like, it was some kind of hooks up here. And then there are also some like right here. I'm going to remove those. And then I had to remove the actual stainless steel Simple Human bag filler. So I'm going to find somewhere to put that. And yeah, that is it. And I'm going to just leave it like so, y'all. It turned out so nice. I did it myself. I'm so happy. Let me turn that light off. I'm so, so happy. So now I have Bali blind here, Bali blind on the door here, and then there's also the Bali blind right here in the front. So all these windows are facing the front of the home. So I think it looks good. And then these here are I'm gonna donate this. This is a Bali blind. It's gonna get donated. I'm gonna donate this one. I'm gonna take these to Goodwill. I'm gonna take it to the church. And then I used the Repost Gray to paint, let me not show y'all the bedroom, but I used the I used the Repost Gray to, when I took down the Bali blind, I had to paint like up, I had to paint like up here, up in here, because when we hung the curtains, the stuff before, it's kind of like was a rush job just to get the stuff covered. So that's done. And then here's the lamp, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You can up close and personal. She is beautiful. Y'all, this is exactly what I was looking for. You probably watched the video yesterday. You probably couldn't get a good picture of it, but that is how she looks. She looks amazing. So since I had that paint in the house, guys, I did get a chance to like go back. Let me see if I can turn this down a little bit so y'all can see the difference in color. Oh gosh, come on camera. So anyway, let me see. Sorry, y'all. But this is Repost Gray and this is Mindful Gray. So I was able to paint up in here since I had bought that paint out of the garage into the house. So as you can see, that is what it looks like. So pretty, so pretty. Y'all, sorry about that. So yeah, you can see the difference now. And now it's like a straight line, y'all. It's coming along, and I just can't wait till we get the big TV right here. And then I'm probably going to go with a different type of pillow. I'm going to keep this pillow because it is linen, y'all. It's a linen pillow, and I like the fact that you could chop it. And I think this is Michael, who is that? Michael Graves? Yeah, Michael Graves, if you could see. But yeah, this is doing everything to me, y'all. Everything. Somebody's on their way right now to buy the Royal Blue pillow and the Rodeo Home gray pillow. This one, both of them are velour, but this one is downfilled and that one is not. But yeah. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what has transpired so far. And hold on, let me show you guys the here's that beautiful frame, you guys. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. Remember I told y'all they both have the same. So I had this one up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put the other one right here or down here. So yeah. I'm so happy, guys, about this because I had some time off this morning, which is today is Monday, November the 16th. So I had some time home in the morning. So my whole thing was get this stuff done so you can get it out of the way and have your day. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the lamp. And I will be going in the comment section today to be answering a lot of you guys' questions, or if you have any, or just saying thank you. I appreciate you guys being here. So like on this side, y'all, it's so much light. This house gets so much like bright light. So I may not be in a rush to put blinds right here. So I might just hold out. But yeah, I'm so happy about the kitchen being done now. So all we need now is the sink fixture, the black gooseneck sink fixture to be put in there. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Thanks for tuning in today. And don't forget, love yourself so that you will be able to love others. Okay? Bye, y'all. See you in the next one.